So Google itself recently revealed their 2022 flagships in an event with official videos of phone. That sounds crazy. Google might know that now there is nothing left behind in design reveal. Everything has been leaked, so why not we reveal it. Anyways, Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are going to be the next Google flagships, and this time, as per rumors, there will be a third device as well. Just like we see in Samsung series every year, Samsung S22, Samsung S22 Plus and Samsung S22 Ultra. Same is gonna happen here. Google is bringing their Ultra variant this year, Google Pixel 7 Ultra. But we have the design confirmations of Pixel 7 and 7 Pro, but not for Ultra yet. So talking about design, there is nothing much changed except for this camera bar at the rear side, which is now of metal instead of glass, as it was glass on Pixel 6 series. And yes, cameras have been separated on Pixel 7 Pro. As you can see, on Pixel 6 Pro we had all the cameras equipped in same rounded rectangular module, but now looks like this is the telephoto lens which has been sent to his way a little side. Talking about camera sensors, some rumors claimed that Google will be using same Pixel 6 series sensor which has ISOCELL GN1, and new rumors have stated another Sony IMX787 64 megapixel sensor in 7 Pro, which will be the primary telephoto sensor. Else the design is totally same. From front side there is also nothing much expected to be changed. There might still be that same central placed punch hole selfie shooter as we have seen on Pixel 6 series. A Pixel 7 prototype was listed on eBay few days ago, which was taken down, but we got some real life images of Pixel 7 as you can see here on screen, and it clearly shows here that the camera bar is actually made of metal because of its reflections. And the Pixel 7 Pro can also be seen here in a reflection on back side of Pixel 7 here. These are the following colors we might see in Pixel 7 series. There will be second generation Google Tensor chip in Pixel 7 series, maybe Tensor 2 or whatever they name it. So as far as launch date is concerned, according to front page tech, launch will take place on 13th of October or maybe at exact mid of October. That's all for Pixel 7 series. I am really excited to see what Pixel 7 Ultra is bringing to the game. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button and subscribe if you're new here. And I'll see you in the next one.